Hi friends, I am back with a new recipe for my lunch today. So it's really easy and it's really good. It's a pizza bowl, and so if you love pizza, love pepperoni, this one's for you. So anyway, I take some marinara sauce, and this is I layer during this whole thing. So I just pour a little bit. I'm just using this little cute ramekin I have, and I just put a little bit of. I don't measure too much, so I just put a little bit at the bottom of my bowl. And I have this Good Culture cottage cheese, and if you don't like cottage cheese, you can use ricotta or whatever, but this Good Culture one is really creamy. And I mean, if you eat lasagna, there's cottage cheese usually in lasagna, so it melts. It's not, it's the texture thing with the curds. This will melt and it gets nice and creamy and gooey inside. So yeah, that's why I like this one. So I mean, it's pretty darn thick, Anyway, so I put that on top of my marinara. Just a couple scoops of that, because this is a good source of protein. For half a cup, you get 14 grams of protein. So I do that, and then I take 8 pepperonis that I have already. So here's my pepperonis, and I've already cut them in half. I've noticed that I need them cut in half for a good, good bites. So I do 8, because 16 pepperonis is a serving to get your 6 grams of protein out of pepperonis. So I just layer 8 and 8. So if I do the first 8 on the first layer, it doesn't matter if you layer or not, because I just stir it all up at the end anyway. And then I take some of my mozzarella. If I can get it open. Looks like I need to buy some more mozzarella. And I just sprinkle some on top of the pepperoni. And then we begin again. A little bit of marinara. This is some good marinara too. This is from Aldi's. It's the Piano brand. It's really good. It's got good flavor. And then take some more cottage cheese. Put that on top. And then the rest of the pepperoni. And then more mozzarella. And then I pop it into the microwave for 2.5 minutes. My microwave is 1100 watts, so everybody's microwave is different. So, but with mine, I do 2.5 minutes. So. And we wait. Oh, it's hot. And bubbly. Look at that. wish you could smell it. Ooh. Needs smell-o-vision. And I just stir it all up together. That's why I said it doesn't really probably matter if you actually layer it or not. But it's all up to you. You do you. And after it gets all stirred up, this particular cottage cheese, because of how thick and creamy it is, makes this a little thicker and creamier. I have tried other cottage cheeses that was more watery, which makes this more watery. Now granted, this isn't like the thickest thing in the world like lasagna or nothing like that, but it's so good and full of protein. Yum. That is so good. You need to try this one. Have a good day.